Hello, my loves. It's Kasia Plannerista 101. So today we have a super fun and a different video from me. We're going to be doing a video of 25 days of planner tips. So this is year 2023. This is the 6th year. Tamara, the paper and plan girl, is doing these collaborations. This year we are talking from getting planned to getting done. This is the topic we're going to be covering. I am so excited about this because I have changed so many things over the years, even this year. So I'll share with you what has changed with me that helps me getting things done. This is a constant struggle, probably for all of us. Hence, we plan, right? We're trying to cram all of these things into our schedules, and there's only 24 hours in a day, so you can't really do more than that. So we're gonna get started, but before we do, if you are coming from a joyful plan, thank you so much and welcome. If you are a new viewer to my channel, welcome. I am so glad you are here. At the end, I will tell you the next person that is doing the next step tomorrow. So today is December 6th. This is the 6th video of December. So welcome. We are going to be discussing this topic for a little bit, and everybody so far has been giving some amazing tips, and I am hoping that my tips can help you guys too. And of course, if you have tips about getting from planned to done, so from putting it on pen and paper or digital planning to actually accomplishing your things, leave some comments down below. I am more than curious to always get acquainted with all of the tips and see if something can help me. So, what is my tip? Stop over scheduling yourself. That's what I constantly did to myself. So let me show you this year. This is May. Yes, this is 2 days. Like, do you see the amount of things that I'm trying to do in here and in here and in here? Like, this is not normal. Like, look at this. I am human, and when I was doing this, I was running myself crazy, and look how many things are not even checked off. Why? Because I'm human and I only have 24 hours in a day like everybody, and that is kind of impossible to do. So that's like, look at this week. Isn't that crazy? Like, yeah, this is what is happening in my planners even this year. Like, look how much I am scheduled. Like, this is so busy that's actually hurting my brain to look at this. So that's this year, and I was doing this back in the day too. Like, this is my 2018. Like, do you see this? Same thing. Classic overscheduler. And when do I put everything? On Monday and on Friday. So I'm not sure if you guys are the same, but I think that I'm gonna get everything done on a Monday or everything done on my day off on Fridays. That is not going to happen. Those days are still only 24-hour days, even though I want them to be like 72 or something, and for me to have this endless energy to get everything done. But that's just not going to happen. So the second tip, or under the overscheduling myself, is if it's going to take 10 minutes or less, I'm just gonna do it. So getting things done, if you have followed that method, it says if it's 2 minutes or less, just do it now. For me, if it takes 10 minutes or less, I'm just gonna do it now. It's just 10 minutes. I'm gonna be able to check it off. It's gonna keep me motivated because I'm going to be able to do that. So what I have changed in my current planner right now is that I only do about 4 main things a day. So I am filming this on Monday, December 4th. So tomorrow, I already scheduled myself to go return some Amazon things. So that's going to be UPS. Then I'm going to go to USPS and return 2 things and send a thing, I mean. And I'm going to go pick up my prescription, and then I can do one more thing, and that is it. So I only allow myself 3 to 4 things a day. I work a full-time job, usually about 9 to 10 hours a day, which is a lot. So when I was packing that schedule like that, I was overwhelming myself and I was not able to accomplish any of it. And not only that, but when you see all of that, you get discouraged and then nothing gets checked off. Like when you only schedule yourself for a few things, then you're able to accomplish them and feel good and actually start your next day a little bit less stressed and not looking on this day all freaked out that nothing got done. You know what I mean? At least that's how it is for me. On top of doing the not over scheduling myself anymore, and then doing the 10 minutes or last tasks right now, like in the moment, I also am I am a very compartmentalizing person. So I need compartments for every area of my life. So because if I'm looking and everything is going to be here, I'm gonna lose my marbles, okay? I am. That's how that works. So my work is separate. My catch-all, which is like my main things, is separate. My meal planner is separate. My social media is separate, you guys. So all of those things are completely separate in my life, and that helps me just go to the area that I'm working on and not feel overwhelmed. So for some people, this may work. For other people, this might not work. And I completely understand because everybody is different. Some people like to start their stuff with the hardest tasks and then go to the smaller ones. For me, the little things keep me going because then I can mark them off. And when I'm marking them off, I am super happy about completing things, and then that keeps me going. So those are my tips for getting things done. Let me know if you guys have other tips for getting things done. I'm always looking forward to learning new things from you guys and trying them out because one of those things might actually work for me, right? But changing this planner style, I'll show you my November, has actually progressed me quite a bit. So this was still October, and then I have realized how much I've been overscheduling myself, and this started just in November. So I've been putting bullet points instead of checklists just for a few things and limiting how many things I'm doing. Like, look, on Friday, I had all of this. So it didn't get done, but every single day that I had a little less, that's been getting done. Like, look at this. Do you see that? Like this whole week is checked off. I am not even kidding you guys. Like this is pretty good, but these have thrown me because I had more room to write. So of course I overscheduled myself. So I went back to this and actually went well. I had a day off here. So that was just turkey prep. But other than that, I did really, really good. And same thing with here. Look, I didn't check anything off on these days, but that was done. I even left a bullet point empty. That has never happened to me before. So that is pretty remarkable, going from October to December, knowing that I only am doing and scheduling few things for myself has changed the way I've been doing things. So going back to this beautiful collaboration. So on the 26th, all of us will go back to Paper and Pen Girl. Check out all the prior videos. So the first one was Paper and Pen Girl. She kicked off this whole collaboration. Then on the second day, it was Plan Sarah Plan. She is so fun to listen to. I really enjoyed her tips. Then we had Plan with Lunkin, then Pleasantly Planned, um, a joyful planned, and then myself and you guys. Tomorrow, you are going to go and visit Plan with Elise. I am so excited. I always watch her videos. She is amazeballs. So yeah, I am going to be definitely listening to her tips because I bet she will have some good ones. So I'm going to be linking all of these channels and videos down below. If you are interested, go ahead and check them out. But I am so happy you have spent this time with me. I always enjoy just being with you guys and hanging out like a whole bunch of friends. But thanks so much for checking out my video. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you have tried my way with not overscheduling yourself, if it's going to make a difference for you. And if you have tips, like I said before, share them because this planner community is all about helping each other. Everybody is just kind and lovely, and I can't wait to hear from you guys. Thanks for joining today and have a great day. Bye.